In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a Google Meet in advance. So what you need to do first is go to meet.google.com. You can get here by just Googling Google Meet, and then it should be the first one, or just go to meet.google.com. Now, provided you're logged into your Google account, you can then go to New Meeting. You can then schedule in Google Calendar. You can also schedule a meeting for later, and this will create a link to a meeting. But if you want to actually invite someone, add it to their Google Calendar and properly schedule it, click on Schedule in Google Calendar. It will open up this new window, and from here we can go ahead and add a title. So maybe we are scheduling here a consulting call for YouTube. We can then save that. Now, it will then add it to your calendar. You can click on it and you can click on the pencil icon and edit it because perhaps we weren't finished quite yet. So here we've got the date and time. You can go ahead and change that. So let's say we are meeting on Thursday the 24th of July at 9:45 until 10:45. Let's say it's a 1-hour call. It does not repeat. And then here you can go ahead and add a location if needed. Perhaps it's not needed for most of you. And then if you want to enable notifications, you can have this selected so it notifies you and the other person within 30 minutes of the call. Here you've got your details, Bradley Harrison, and what you can do is you can go ahead and add the guests here. So if you go to guests, you can then type out their email here. I'm not going to click on it and start typing because it's going to open up all the emails I've got currently. But if you click on it, start typing out your emails, and then you'll see all of your recent emails, and you will then be able to add them. Now, once you've added that person, you can then go to save in the top right hand corner. After you've done that, it will then save and it will add the event to that date and time that you chose, and it will also invite the other person to this event as well. And then when the time comes, it will send them a reminder email 30 minutes before, and inside of that email they will have the Google Meet link and they'll be able to join with Google Meet. This will also go on their calendar as well if they've synced their calendar with their Gmail account as well. So they're going to be sent an email 30 minutes before and an email as soon as you invite them, and that is how you can schedule it in advance.